up, YouTube? It's your girl Ash Cash, and I'm back with the second video. Like I said before on the first video, like and subscribe and follow me. So today I got a banging ass topic to talk to y'all about. It's called cicadas. Oh my god. So y'all know we just got rid of the cicadas or whatever. We just had cicadas. And tell me why I broke my iPhone. Broke my iPhone dealing with cicadas. I'm gonna get to how I broke my phone. First, I just wanna ask this question. Like, you comment, you know what I'm saying? Comment your little comments, whatever. Put your little comments. But why is it that cicadas gotta come out every 17 years? Like, make it make sense. Every 17 years though. What is y'all doing for them 17 years? I mean, I'm just saying. What y'all doing for them 17 years? And why when y'all come out, they got and y'all just so blind, y'all just everywhere, and y'all just gotta attach yourself. So let's get to the story. So a week before the cicadas went away or whatever, one day I think I was about to go wash or something, and something said, girl, put on your bonnet. But then my intuition was like, nah, girl, it's hot as hell outside. You gonna sweat bricks with these motherfucking braids in and shit. So I'm like, all right. So I ain't put on my bonnet. I get my motherfucking, my laundry detergent soap and my dryer sheets and my coins or whatever. Put my shoes on, grab my laundry, grab my keys, grab my phone, got my little drink and my joint in my hand. So I'm about to walk out the door. Walking out the door. I heard zzz, zzz, one of the cicadas, but I ain't see it, so I ain't think none of it. Like, all right. I lock my door. All I know is I get halfway to the parking lot. Y'all, I think y'all know what I'm about to say. Tell me why some say, girl, look down. It was two cicadas on one braid, another cicada on the other braid. Like, is you serious? Oh, you already know what happened. I screamed, I ran. I still had my phone in my hand now, remind you. I still have my phone in my hand, laundry out on the ground, whatever. And let's hear, me and Bugs, if anybody know me and Bugs do not get along. I mean, they do not get along. Who want to sit up there and have a bug just, something so small, just flying, creeping, trying to get to you? Like, that's nasty. Irks my nerves, so I'm trying to get it off my braid. Like, I'm screaming, like, literally pulling these motherfuckers. So by that time, I get up. I fell on the ground. I forgot. I fell on the ground. But I got back up. I still have my phone in my hand or whatever. So, all right. I go to put the code in the door for the main building where I go wash it. Some said, man, Ash, this motherfucker still on your braid. On me. Oh man, it was over with. All hell broke loose. I got the screaming, running. I seen that motherfucker on there, ran into the truck right there by the door. Head first, booze. I'm surprised I ain't blacked the fuck out. All I know is I seen another one. That motherfucker jumped on my phone. I got an iPhone reminder. I got an iPhone. Oh, I threw my goddamn phone on the ground like a dumbass. Like, just fling it away. Like, the motherfucker ain't gonna. Oh, damn, that's crazy. Talking about the motherfuckers, I thought I just seen myself. I throw my motherfucking iPhone on the ground. Fuck the phone. I'm trying to make sure that shit get the fuck off of me. So I go grab the cicadas, get off my braids. So I hurry up, run, put the code in, left everything on the ground. I mean, when I say I left everything, I don't play with bugs. I left everything, period. Like, so I go in there, calm down, hold my head, like my head hurt. Somebody help me, my goddamn head hurt. I see my neighbor upstairs. He told me, what's going on? I had just screamed. I said, they jumped me to my smooth. I said, damn cicadas. Hey, when I say he got weak, you know how pissed I was. Like, you gonna sit up here and get weak at me? I just said I got jumped. Bad bunch of cicadas. I ain't playing. I literally got jumped. So I said, can you go get it? Can you go get my stuff? Like, can you go get my stuff? It's supposed to come out, girl. I said, I ain't going out there. Can you please go get my stuff? Now I'm dead ass serious because, like, I don't play with bugs. Like, this ain't no motherfucking joke. Like, I could have killed myself. I could have cracked my neck. Like, I almost hopped out the car. When I was like, I think they came out when I was like 5 years old. 17 years ago. Like, I'm 26 now, so y'all do the math. But yeah, so I'm like, I ain't playing a motherfucking game. Like, man, get this. Go help me get my phone and shit. My shit outside. Go outside. You go outside, grab my stuff, come back in. I be doggone it. Whole phone. He said, ooh, you about to be mad. Why would I be mad? So I'm like, oh, here we go. Here we go. I ain't thinking nothing about my phone being cracked whatsoever. So I'm like, all right. Why would I be mad? I'm like, okay. Maybe, I'm thinking maybe, at first I did think it was about my laundry. I'm like, nah, all I know is, all I see him hitting my phone. And I say my whole screen was just shattered. My whole world went upside down 360 fucking fast as fuck, just like that. Now everybody know, y'all can't do nothing without your phone. I mean, I got an Apple iPad and it's connected to my phone, but this is my phone. Oh yeah, of course. Cost me money because of a goddamn cicada. So yeah, me. Had to go downtown to go to this, everybody know, Cicada fix iPhones. Quick $100. Just get my screen fixed. That ain't even a half of the part though. Come back home. Come back home, right? Same day. Like, it was probably like an hour and a half later. Come back home. Another cicada. I'm trying to get in my door and another cicada. Get on my motherfucking ass. As I make it in the house, I learn, here we go. I look down, that motherfucker on my brain again. Crack my phone again. When I say I was pissed, like, is you fucking serious? Is you fucking serious? You motherfuckers just cost me a goddamn whole ass motherfucking bill. I could put that shit on my thumbnail. Shit, I could have bought me some motherfucking weed, goddamn. Yes. The whole moral of the story is, fuck you, cicadas. 17 years from now, guess where I'm gonna be at? Just guess. In a bunker. I swear, you think I'm about to be out here catching cicada attacks again? Costing me more money? No, you bitches is nasty. Y'all is nasty. Oh my God. But the moral of the story is, Ash Cash cracked her phone, broke her phone. Because of a cicada. I could have probably snapped my neck. But like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Send me comments. Write comments. Do whatever shit. Put this video out there. Show some love. Shout out to Cincinnati. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and again, say hi to my bitches. And you know what my niggas say. You know me, B. I'm in regardless. Nice talking to y'all. I know y'all see the graffiti on the shirt, but like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.